Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure your iPad is ready. Update iOS and sign into your Apple ID. Once done, open the Apple TV app from the home screen. You may be prompted to allow permissions, grant notifications, and cellular if you plan to stream on the go. Next, tap the Watch Now or Library tab that immediately shows purchases and recommendations tied to your account. This gets you into the app quickly, so you can start browsing or resuming where you left off. Now you'll locate what to watch. Tap Search and type a title, actor, or channel. Use filters to narrow results. When you find shows, tap a poster to view episodes, trailers, and subscription options. If a channel requires a subscription, confirm it with your Apple ID and payment method. Subscriptions sync across devices. To save for offline viewing, choose Download and set playback quality under Settings. Make sure family sharing is enabled if others should access purchases. This keeps everything organized and accessible. To finish, tap play and enjoy the stream. Swipe or tap the screen during playback to change audio, subtitles, or skip to specific chapters. For a bigger screen, tap the AirPlay icon and choose your Apple TV or AirPlay device on the same Wi-Fi network. If playback stalls or content won't download, close the app and reopen it, verify your subscription under account, or restart the iPad. If still stuck, sign out of Apple ID and sign back in. This often resolves sync and licensing problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.